Top 5 AI Tools in 2023. In 2023, there is growing market for AI tools and it increasing day by day. So here is top 5 AI tools that help you. 5. Deep Nostalgia. Animate the faces in your family photos with an incredible technology. The tool has done over 106 million animations and counting. The remarkable technology for animating photos was licensed by MyHeritage from DID, a company specializing in video reenactment using deep learning. Deep Nostalgia can very accurately apply the drivers to a face in your still photo, creating a short video that you can share with your friends and family. 4. Synthesia. Create videos from plain text in minutes. Synthesia is the #1 rated AI video creation platform. Thousands of companies use it to create videos in 120 languages, saving up to 80% of their time and budget. 3. Copy.ai. Get great copy that sells. Copy.ai is an AI-powered copywriter that generates high-quality copy for your business. Get started for free, no credit card required. Marketing simplified. DALL-E 2 is an AI-powered system developed by OpenAI that generates unique images from textual descriptions. It's an improvement of the original DALL-E model and uses state-of-the-art machine learning techniques to generate high-quality, diverse images. With DALL-E 2, users can provide a textual description of an image they have in mind and the system will generate an image that closely matches the description. This technology has the potential to revolutionize fields such as graphic design, advertising, and more by providing a fast and intuitive way to generate custom images. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It's a variation of the GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, architecture, specifically designed for generating text in a conversational style. The model has been trained on a large corpus of text data and can generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. ChatGPT can be used in various applications, such as chatbots, language translation, and text completion. The model is highly flexible and can adapt to the style and tone of a specific use case, making it a versatile tool for natural language processing tasks.